Hi guys, it's Jan from Jandal in the City. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome or welcome back. My channel is all about unboxings, either pre-loved, luxury, and also beauty items. So if you find that this is something that you're interested in, please hit that subscribe button and the bell to notify you when I've uploaded videos. I usually upload my videos for Friday and also Wednesday. So this video, guys, is going to be about a Louis Vuitton unboxing, as well as something from Cartier and a little bit of makeup. So if you're interested, guys, keep on watching. So to start off, guys, before we get to the unboxing, I wanted to show you the bag of the day. And this is my little Coach bag. I just love the color. My favorite color is green and pink. And it is shaped like this, like a kidney bean. Unfortunately, I cannot remember the name of it. I have got my Gucci little silk scarf tied to it, the Mickey Mouse limited edition. Right there. Just love that, guys. And a little bit of makeup. This is by Dior. And it is one of their blushes. Pardon my hands, guys, but I've been compulsively washing them. Just love this. And also I've been using this one as a highlighter. Just love this, guys. And on my lips, of course, you know, I've got my Chanel Perfect. I think it's 712, I think the color is. It's my perfect color for myself. So let's go ahead, guys, and get started with this video. First thing I want to start off with is, let me put my glasses on here, is something that I got from Cartier. And it is another fragrance from Cartier. So let's go ahead, guys, and get this out of the box. I love their fragrances. I'm new to them. So here it is, guys. Oh, look at the bottles. I just love the bottles. Look at that. Take this plastic cap off, and pardon me for the pronunciation. I'm not even going to pronounce it, but I'll link it down below. Look at the top, and that's what got me. It looks like a ruby with Cartier on the front. Nice size bottle. Oh my God, I love that, guys. I've really been drawn to the Cartier fragrances lately. Look at that. And this bottle size is 50 ml. So it equivalents to a 1.6 fluid ounce. I cannot wait to use this, guys. Nice size bottle. I love their bottle. It's just class all around. So there's that one, guys. We'll start off with the small items first. And I got something by LVLuxdelight. This is a Canadian brand, so you guys may not have it in the States. Let's go ahead and open this one. Here's the packaging. And with this one, you get 3 items. Pardon me. You get the lip liner here that says LVLuxdelight. It's a 1.2 gram pencil. And this one is in the color nude. So there we go, guys, just to show you what that's going to look like. Cannot wait to try that. It also comes with this beautiful lip gloss with a peel off sticker here. Let me just get this off. There's the color, guys. And it is a really soft nude. Cannot wait to use that one. And also the LVLuxdelight lipstick. I really like her packaging. Look at that, guys. I know it's coming across really dark, but it is not. It's a nude. I'm not going to swatch them because I'm not quite sure if I'm going to do them as a giveaway. So thought I'd show you those 3 products. And of course, something from Hermes. Here we go, guys. Oh, this one's awfully tight. just love it. Look at the pinks and greens. And it's got the polka dots on it. Let me give you a closer up look. This one says it is, here's the information here. So if you guys are interested. And here's the outside. I just love the colors on this. Look at this, guys. The greens, the pinks, the tower in Paris. It's got Hermes Paris. I really like when it says Hermes Paris. And here's the other side, guys. I just love it. And the inside. Look at the polka dots. He's proposing. Look at Cupid's arrow there. Just love this one. Couples. And look at the color on the bottom with the oranges and the very, very light purple, pinks. Cannot wait to use that one. That would look really nice on my Coach bag as well with the green. So guys, the next thing I received was in this beautiful bag. Look at the packaging. I love packaging. It gets me every time. This is what I have picked up. Let's go ahead, oops, and undo it. Any guesses, guys, to what this might be? I was speaking with, well, not speaking, but I had DM'd fellow YouTuber, what is her channel? LVLuxdelight, I think her channel is, and I was asking her about a particular bag, and I was asking her about the size, what she preferred, and I did go with the size that she recommended. So let's go ahead, guys. If I pronounced her channel wrong, I will link it in the bottom below. Here we go, guys. I'm so excited for this one. Let me just put the box down. And here's the dust bag that it came in. Can you see that, guys? Oh, I'm so happy to get this one. It's a Damier Bin Elma BB. Look at that. Oh, wow. I'm so glad I went with the size. So thank you for recommending that size to me. I very much appreciate it. With the gold hardware. And it does have the feet on the bottom. Oh, it smells amazing. Smooth zipper. And this one is, where's this one made? Pardon me, guys. It is made in France. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I'm happy about that. Let's go ahead and go in the inside. And she left everything inside for me there. It was brand new. No one even used it. It wasn't even out on display. She said it had just come in. And there is the crossbody strap. And this one is one length. You cannot adjust it. That's okay. I can wear this on my mini pochettes. I can wear it on a couple of my other bags as well. So it's always a bonus to get that. Okay, guys. And this has not even been used either. Need to put that on. She also, which is really nice if you ever want to sell the bag, I always get them to include these as well. The Elma BB, Damier Ben. It's always nice to keep these. Okay, so the inside is a beautiful red color with one side pocket and none on the other, with a really generous opening. This is one of my favorite prints from Louis Vuitton, so I will be purchasing more of this pattern. And here is the little dust bag that contains the lock and keys. Just gorgeous, guys. I like getting them when they're new like this. So that is my new baby to my collection. I cannot wait to use it. Look at how shiny the hardware is. Are you guys finding that the hardware seems to be a little more, I don't want to say cheap, but less expensive or very light? And it's also got more of a really yellow color to it. And I'm finding too that some of the canvases are extremely thin, because I have some vintage ones where the canvas is very thick. So there's my new baby guy. Here's what fits inside the Damier bin Elma. I've got my Wizard of Oz Coach coin purse, Louis Vuitton reverse card holder, key clay and Damier band, and a mini pochette in monogram. As you can see, there's a lot more room. You can fit lots of other things in there. So that's what fits inside. So there, guys, is my new Elma BB. So you can wear it in the crook of your arm, such as this, as well as on your shoulder. I'm 5'2" for reference, as well as a crossbody bag, such as this. Just love this little bag, guys. You can take the strap off. You don't need to have that on there. And also like this. So there it is, guys. My new BB Elma and Damier Ebene. Cannot wait to use it. It smells amazing.